Hi guys, this is Jiro with ZIPPKOOL Cooling Gear. We're here to discuss the all-new HVN-510U model. That's the high visibility cooling vest. It's very similar to the HVN-500U that was released a couple years back. Both high visibility ANSI Class 3 vest, OSHA compliant, and they both have fans in the back. But what we've done is we made some upgrades from the HVN-500U. First, we've added a two-way radio loop. We've had a lot of requests from users saying, hey, we use two-way radio, is there a way we can put a loop? Not too difficult. We've attached one on the right, one on the left. We recommend using the right side for the radio loop, and the left side we'll show you a little bit more in detail, but you'll be able to put the HVC-03L cable so that the cable doesn't get in the way. We've also enlarged the pocket for your smartphones. Smartphones are getting a lot bigger these days, so we have to keep up with it. So we made it a little bit bigger. And we have also attached a pocket, chest pocket here for your HVC-03L batteries. So these are the mini batteries that come with the high visibility hard hat cooler. Now you can carry these here. Also, most importantly, we've had incidents where people were breaking the plastic pull tabs here on the waist. What we've done is we've added a tab that you actually pull on, and all you have to do is push the plastic tab here and just pull the tab instead of the entire plastic piece. You don't want to pull this. What you're looking at is to pull the tab while holding on to the plastic so that you can tighten the waist. Keep in mind that it is very important to tighten the waist so that the air stays inside the vest and none of the air is lost from the waist portion. A minor change, instead of button pockets, we've made it into Velcro so that you can easily access it. Instead of having to unbutton it, now you can just pull it off, put your hand inside, grab whatever you want from your pocket. And lastly, what we've done is we changed the color of the fans. If you remember, the HVN-500s had the gray fans. All HVN-510s will come with the black fan. So let's talk about setting up your vest. When you purchase the vest, as always, they're going to come separately. You're going to get the vest, the fans, the battery, and cable. Setting up with the HVN-500 is the same with the HVN-510. You open it up, you get your cable, and what you're going to do is there's a long side, a short side, and a medium side. Make sure you don't get these wrong. The medium size will have a red jack. That's to let you know that that's the connector to the battery and not to the fans. The long one will go in the middle. And you would snap the medium cable with the Velcro on your left. You would then pop in the fans. Now keep in mind the fans have these tabs that unless you push on them, these rings, the holder rings will not come out. So make sure you push the tab, and with your other hand, you want to push the tab out. And facing the jacket down, you will insert the fan, and you want to align the tab. These have number 1 and number 2. You want to align it with number 2 until you hear the click like that. And that's pretty much the installation of your vest. Should take about 2 to 3 minutes your first time. Once you get used to it, should take less than 30-40 seconds. Now the batteries will not come charged per federal regulation, so please make sure to charge your battery before you snap it on and use it for your first time. It will have a plastic case. And what this case allows you to do is to clip it on your tool belt or your belt loop. Now if it's raining, the vest is waterproof coated, however the battery is not. So we recommend you store the battery in the inside pocket right here, and you zip it up so that the battery itself does not get wet. Now, if it's pouring really hard, what you want to do is you want to shut it off so that you're not getting water streaking into your vest from the two fans. Once it starts lighting up, then you can turn the fan back on and cool down. Same with the HVN-500s. These are washable. All you have to do is pop the fan out, unzip or take the cables out from the Velcro, and these are good to be washed in a machine wash cold. Now, please do not tumble dry or throw the vest into a dryer. You want to just hang dry it outside. It should dry up in about a couple of hours or 3 to 4 hours depending on the outside temperature. Now, as I mentioned, we've made it a lot more compatible with the HVC-03L hard hat coolers. When you're using it together, make sure you use the short cable and not the long cable. After you install the HVC-03L, what you want to do is you want to slid the cable through one of the two-way radial loops, and then you don't have to use the case for the clip for the Li Minis. You just plug it in and turn it on, and there you go. You're all set. Now, if you want to take off your hard hat, all you got to do is just unplug, take the hard hat off. Mind the messy hair because of the hard hat. That's about it. If you have questions, you can contact us at info@zipkool.com, or you can call us at 1-833-947-5665. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay cool.